All right, well, now that our cast trip is over, it is time for me to head to Texas for opening whitetail season there, opening archery. So I get to Texas, meet up with our buddy Struby. It's so fun hunting with Chris. We've had a blast with him the last few years, as you've seen on the show. But we get there, and it's like super hot. It's like 98 degrees in this Stryker hunting blind the first day. So we come up with hopefully it was going to be a solution, and we made Redneck AC units.
Check this out.
Such as this.
Redneck ingenuity.
It worked.
We are in Texas. We're getting ready to hunt tomorrow, open an archery season, and it is 90 degrees. So me and my best buddy Struby here, we have decided to make Redneck air conditioner. We're going into HVAC. It's going to be 90 degrees tomorrow afternoon, and we're making Redneck AC units. So basically all we did, we got a little igloo cooler, 2 battery-powered fans or USB fans, and what's an 1.5 inches?
Yeah, 1.5
1.5
inches.
inches conduit.
For directional airflow, baby.
Oh yeah, we're like getting high tech here.
Oh yeah.
And so he's got a different type. I've got the more glamorous blue for cool. Mine's gonna be better than his, I think. So anyway, we're gonna get to doing this, and I will let you know how it works out. What are you doing there, Struby?
Tearing stuff up.
Yep. Making him a pilot hole. All right, stay tuned for more Redneck action. All right, well, our Redneck AC unit, Struby's dad, Mr. Brian, come to supervise.
Yeah, I'll make sure they're doing it right.
And the little guy.
He's giving direction, even though they're wrong.
So this one is mine. I think mine looks way better than Struby's.
Mine's not done. It's not through yet. It's not through yet.
And then there's his. His looks a little bit more high-tech than mine, but I think mine looks so much better just because it's mine.
Hey, it's just a little cold.
What do you think? Is it gonna work?
It'll work. I know it'll work.
What do you think? You think it's gonna work?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
What's your name?
Asa Brooks.
Asa Brooks. Lucky for you, you look like your mommy.
Thank goodness. Yeah.
I was about to say he looks exactly like who's standing beside him.
Me?
No. He's handsome just like his people.
All right, all we gotta do is put ice in it,
Right.
and we're good to go. AC in the deer stand here in Texas. All right, first day of bow season 2024. Me and my buddy Struby are in the Stryker hunting blind. We've got 2 good bucks and 2 huge pigs. And my plan is, generally these pigs are in here first thing in the morning, and then the deer come in after. So I've got my own rig of silos. If a pig comes in, I'm going to whack him with the silos. Then we're going to whack a big buck. I got to feel it. I know what's going to happen. Struby's going to drag the deer. I'm going to film and watch. That's my plan. Anyway, 2024 bow season is now in effect. We're hunting. said this is the first time he's seen him have a stand. Beautiful deer.
Trying to throw a Hail Mary at the old man because we don't have a clicker. So Ted's running down there. He's gonna hit test on the feeder, make it spin again. He's gonna haul butt and try and get that line.
So that's how I get you to run?
We were running out of time. Prime time was here. One of us had to volunteer to go turn the feeder on because the feeder didn't walk. So Stribby wouldn't do it. So I had to take one for the team.
Amazing.
Do you see her? Yeah. She's right there coming in.
So the morning sit was pretty nice. We didn't need our air conditioners at that point, but by the time we got back for the second day, it was time to demo our newfound inventions. And that Stryker hunting blind is so sealed, we were still really hot, but the Redneck engineering coolers was enough to take at least some of the heat out.
First evening set, bow season here in Texas 2024. And as we was walking in, there was 2 bucks in here already. They were small bucks, not the bucks we were after. It is 6 o'clock. It's 93 degrees here in Texas. And luckily we made our Redneck air conditioners, and they're actually working. I'm pretty impressed. At least it's cooling the place down quite a bit. I'm surprised. But if you look at Struby, you would never know it. So anyway, we're in here. We got a couple good bucks in here. We got a great big pig in here. So we should have a couple good shot opportunities tonight on a deer, because the deer come in first and then the pigs come in about 45 minutes later. So hopefully we get a 2 for tonight. Smoked him. Oh, I got it. You smoked him. Oh, yeah. He's done. Smoked him. That's freaking cool. Man, that's the first deer in Texas in a long time with a bow, boys. Oh. Man, he come in not where we thought they were going to come in. There was a buck over here. We were watching them. What they're trying to do, they were trying to wind us. They were trying to wind us. And the bigger buck that we were after here, he come around behind us, and I just so happened to look over here, and he's walking this way. Fear went all scared him. He walked over here. They had no clue we were here. Stacked in this Stryker hunting blind, sweating to death in Texas, 94 degrees, and we're killing deer.
So we're sitting in the Stryker hunting blind. roasting, more or less. And out of nowhere, one of the bucks that is in the group with the buck that we're after, just out of nowhere appears to the right. So we're watching to the right, and then another buck appears. Struby just happened to look to the left, and there he stands, 20 yards. So guess what happens?
You made a bad shot. That's what happened.
That's not entirely true.
That is true.
So the buck comes in, and
It was so bad he can't even recall.
so when he comes in about 30 yards. I range him, and I shoot, and I immediately thought I smoked him. Ends up, we go back, watch the footage, and I did not smoke this deer. So we had to end up letting him lay overnight, and we knew, as hot as it was, that in Texas, if you make a questionable shot and you know it's a fatal shot, just hang around for a few hours and the buzzards will tell you exactly where it's at.
A lot of buzzards over there, dude. That's good.
All right, we just pulled into the property here where I shot that really nice buck last night, and we couldn't find him. We looked for blood. We found a little spot of blood, and it's just kind of petered out. We had two little spots, and that was it. We looked this morning for, I don't know, I'm gonna say 2 hours, and nothing. We decided we were going to back out. We're gonna go ahead and, let the buzzards do what the buzzards do in Texas. And we've got all kinds of buzzards right over here. So I am praying that they're on my deer. I really hope they are. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to eat it. Probably not going to be able to mount it. But these buzzards are low. They're flying down. We're not going to celebrate yet, but there's a bunch of them, and I'm pretty sure we're going to have a good deer. So, to be continued. We got buzzards that are super, super low on the ground. Here they are, boys. Right here they are, boys. We got brothers. I'm pretty sure we got dead deer, boys. I'm pretty sure we got dead deer. Please, Lord. I'm pretty sure we got dead deer. Oh, there he is, boys. Man. Oh. So, he's a little stanky. And a little stiff. But right there he is. Oh, man. So, he actually, we thought he went that way. He doubled back and came this way. We walked this morning for 2 hours in the wrong direction. So here he is. Beautiful, beautiful deer. Oh man, I'm so glad we found him. I hate that we couldn't eat him, and by this time I'm not going to be able to mount him, but he's going to make a beautiful skull mount. My first archery kill in Texas for a while, and super pumped, super excited. Oh, Can't really take a picture with him, but he's a beautiful deer. Beautiful 8-point deer. So, well, we're gonna mark this, and like I said, unfortunately, I mean, can't really take good pictures, but he's a pretty deer. So now we're gonna go jump in the blind, trying to kill us another one or a hog.